I hope all of you are keeping safe at home. Children, in my previous video, we have done questions of multiplication. But today's video is about the word problems. Usually, children have problem in understanding word problems because they don't understand whether they have to perform addition, subtraction, or multiplication. So let's see word problems in details. Children, in my today's topic, yes, I have taken chapter a word problem related to chapter multiplication, but definitely before that I will tell you how to find out whether the question related to multiplication or addition or subtraction. Okay children, before that, in the beginning I want to tell you what are word problems. Word problems means when question are given in the statement form. When question and we have to give answer in our own word. For example, question is how are you? You will not give the answer how are you. You will give the answer in your own words. I am fine or I am doing good or whatever is the case. In the same way, the question is word problem and the answer we are writing is the statement sums. Okay children, in general meaning, statement means to say or write something. Okay, this is the general meaning of statement. Children, we are going to start with this. I have taken one example. I am going to tell you how to find out whether the question relates to addition or subtraction or multiplication. Here is one question, children. A matchbox contains 50 sticks. How many sticks are there in 9 such boxes? To find out, children, you can put your own value numerical numbers, very small digits you can exchange with the digits they have given in the question. For example, you can say a matchbox contains, okay, you can take 5. A matchbox contains 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one box. Okay, children? In one box there are sticks 5. Okay children, now if question is how many sticks are there in 2 boxes, we have taken one more box. Here are 5 sticks. Now children, you know the answer. You can see, you can think, in one box there are 5 sticks, in 2 boxes there are 5 sticks. There are 2 boxes, and how many total sticks are there children? We know the answer, that is 10. Now children, we will think what question, what values we use. One is 5 sticks, the other is boxes 2. Now what we will do with these two numbers, we will play children. We will, first of all, we will add 5 plus 2, 7. Is our answer is 7? No. 5 minus 2, 3. Is our answer is 3? No. 5 multiplied by 2, 5 2s are 10. Is our answer is 10? Yes. So that means this is the question of multiplication. So children, this is the way you can find out whether the question relates to addition or subtraction or multiplication. This is the simplest way to finding out the question related to which thing, that is multiplication. Okay children, now I will tell you how to write the statement. Children, there are so many ways in writing the statement. One simplest way you can write the statement from the question itself only. Like you can write as it is. A matchbox contains, only the digit children you have to write after equal to. So you can write a matchbox contains sticks. And here in statement sum, don't forget to use the sign of equal to. After equal to, on the right hand side we write the digits. A matchbox contains sticks is equal to 50. Now children, next line is how many sticks are there in 9. Children, just we have to leave this how many. Children, I told you in question we cannot give answer in question form. That's why we will not use these two words how many. We can simply write also sticks are there in 9 such boxes. That's also true. But children, we have to write the statement in the simplest, easiest and shortest form. Okay. If you will write as it is ticks are there in 9 such boxes, then also it's okay. And otherwise, children, you are in 3rd standard now. You should know how to mold the statement. You can write sticks in 9 matchboxes. Okay, children? That is, we know this is the question of multiplication. So 50 multiplied by 9. This is one way of writing the statement, children. The other way of writing this statement, and that is the easiest form I am going to. This is also the easiest form, but this may be lengthy, children. So very easy method. You have to see the question line. That is the second line of this question. How many sticks? This word, what the examiner is asking, he is asking about the sticks. So whatever the examiner will ask, our answer will start from that word. Okay, children? The word is sticks. We can start from this, and as first word should be capital. We can write sticks in a. A means 1. Sticks in 1 matchbox, that is equal to 50. The other line, sticks in 9 matchboxes, that is, this is the question of multiplication. Or children, you can think in other way, that is, when they have given us one thing and they are asking for so many things. This is also one way of finding the question related to multiplication. In every multiplication question, they will give you anything comprises in one thing, and they will ask for many things. So it means this is the question of multiplication. In this they are asking, they have given a statement sticks in 1 matchbox, and they are asking for so many, for 9 matchboxes. So this is the question of multiplication. Now children, very important, I told you in previous video also that you should know how to write in the boxes. It is the important thing of your syllabus, children, that how to write in the boxes. We are writing here 1 digit, 1 box into, we put the sign of multiplication. Now we will read the table of 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45. As there is no other number, so it will become 450. Okay children? Or the other way of writing, yes, I told you in previous video also how to write the numbers related to 10, 20, 30. We will simply multiply the digits. 9 fives are 45 and 1 0 is there on the right hand side. We will put 1 0. And children, now here very important thing, this answer. 450 is not the answer. What will be our full answer? What they ask, what the examiner asked, that is sticks. So we have to write 450 sticks answer, children. It's very important to keep it in mind, children, this answer, that is 450 sticks. If you will not write this sticks, children, definitely your 1 or 2 marks will be deducted. So please don't forget to write this answer with the word which the examiner asked. Okay children, now I am going to give you one more question related to word problem, and that is, now you will find out whether this question related to multiplication or addition or subtraction. Okay children, our next question is, that is, there are 75 toffees in a box. Yes, I know all of you like toffees, children. And you must be thinking why ma'am is reminding us toffees in this lockdown period. Okay, never mind. In the question it's given, children. I'm sorry. The question is, there are 75 toffees in one box. Now children, you can see they have again given the question related to one thing. Now the question is, how many toffees are there in 5 such boxes? Now children, again start thinking, start including yourself. Just think that you are there in the question and think about yourself that you have one box with you, and in one box, okay, let's take that you have 2 toffees in one box. Okay children, you have taken 2 toffees in one box, and and if you will get, how many toffees are there in, okay 3 such boxes. Okay, if you will get 3 boxes children, so how many toffees you will be there children? 2 4 6. So you know the answer children, and which 2 numbers you have taken, that is 2 and 3. Now just start thinking that how you have found the answer 6. 2 plus 3, 5, which is wrong. 3 minus 2, 1, which is wrong. 2 multiply 3, 6. Yes, so that means this is the question of multiplication. In this way, children, you can think whether the question relates to plus, minus or multiply. Now comes to the statement part, how to make the statement. Same way children, I told you we have to check the question line, that is the second line in this question. How many toffees? So we have to start with the word toffees. Toffees in one box. What they have given? How many toffees? That is 75. Now toffees, the question is toffees in 5 boxes. That means now we know this is the question of multiplication. So we can write 75 multiplied by 5. Okay children. Now children, again the important thing what we have to keep it in mind, that is how to write in the boxes. So I am going to draw the boxes again for you children. Otherwise in your notebook boxes are given. Just to tell you how to write in the boxes, I am drawing the boxes here. Now children, I am writing 5 in one box, 7 in the other box, multiply here, multiply with 5. Now we will read the table of 5 up to 5. 5 5s are 25. We will write here on the side. 1's place 5 will come here, and this 2 will be carried over. Yes, very good. Now we will read the table of 5 up to 7. 5 7s are 35. Now we will add 35 plus 2, that is 37. So children, the important thing what I told you to write, that is how to write the answer. What is the answer? This answer you can write in one box 375. What the examiner asked? Toffees. So what will come here? Toffees. 375 toffees answer. Okay children, I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.